Hey, what is up YouTube? How are you guys doing today? Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate that. My name is Tobias and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today what I have for you guys is another ThreadBeast premium review. If you guys have not seen it, I already did one review of a ThreadBeast premium package, and in that review I know I said I was gonna cancel my subscription after that, and I actually did. However, after I canceled my subscription, I got an email from ThreadBeast enticing me to come back, and they did so by offering me another 50% off coupon code, and I couldn't resist the deal, guys. However, this time I want to do things a little bit differently so it's not the same as my last video. In my last video, I was very conservative with the types of items that I wanted to get in my package. This time I want to go for the wildest stuff. I want to receive the wildest clothes that ThreadBeast has to offer. So I'm going to have to go into my account and change my settings, my preferences, and I'm going to show you guys me doing that. I just want to get the craziest stuff they have to offer, make this the craziest ThreadBeast review on YouTube. But just before we get into it, guys, if you guys like this video or if this video helps you out, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. And if you would like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell notifications button. And just before we get started, guys, I just want to walk you guys through the subscription cancellation process because it's not so simple. You can't just go into your account online and cancel your subscription. You have to send ThreadBeast an email, and then you have to wait for them to send you a text message. And then once they send you a text message, they'll send you a phone number, and then you can call that phone number, and then you'll talk to a ThreadBeast representative, and then that person will actually go ahead and cancel your subscription for you. So it is a little bit of a process. It's a little bit of a hassle, but it's not a super big deal. It is what it is. So anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get started. So it says to sign back up, click here. So I'm in my email. I'm going to do a screen recording in a second once I get into my account. So select the premium package. I gotta enter my address and all that. I need to enter my card info again. This time I definitely want to do things differently because, or else I'm just like making the same video again, you know what I mean? So 1 second, guys. Okay, cool. So it's letting me, okay, this is awesome, guys. So I'm gonna start my screen recording right now because now it's asking me for like my preferences and stuff like that, because all the stuff that it asked me before, that stuff's not going to change, like my t-shirt size, where I like to shop. This is a part that's actually important, and this is where, you know, I'm going to be able to select what kind of stuff I want to receive. So 1 second, I'm going to record my screen. All right, guys, so style, distressed, faded, rips, tears, yes. Last time I selected no. Explicit graphics, profanity, drug-related, nudity. I'm just hoping they send me a crazy shirt with a naked man on it doing drugs, yelling profanities. That's what I'm hoping to get. Slim fit tops, nah. Button-ups, nah. Polos, nah. Beanies, nah. Hats, nah. No. Complete update. All right, so log into my style profile. All right, so I gotta log in right here. Okay, so here we go, guys. So style preference, please send me your craziest looking stuff. Or wait, maybe I should put most outrageous looking stuff. Favorite store, that's cool. Casual and relaxed, crisp and clean. Yeah, that's fine. Muted, mixed and match. I want bright, stand out from the crowd. Skinny, yeah, that's fine. Distressed, yeah. Explicit, yeah. Slim tops, no. Button ups, no. All right, guys. Looks like everything else is good. I don't know how to save this. How do I save this? Oh, save. There we go. Cool. Excellent. All right, guys, so I completed my order. I guess we'll see what happens. It looks like it's going to get sent out. Okay, so it's going to get sent out on the 26th to the 28th. So I will tune back in and I'll show you guys what I got. We're going to do the unboxing. I'll show you guys everything I got. And yeah, let's see what happens when I get this package. Hey, what's up, guys? So it's crazy. My ThreadBeast package already got here. From the day that I reactivated my account, updated my style preferences, it only took 4 days to get this package, which is insanely fast. It wasn't even supposed to ship out for like another 2 days. So that is really crazy. Anyways, as you can see today, we got a gray box. My last box that I got was yellow. And I have seen on a couple other people's videos on YouTube that there are different colored boxes. I've seen a teal one. I've seen the, the regular black one. But I haven't seen a gray one yet, so I think that's pretty cool. And I just want to mention really quick, after I updated like my style preferences and everything, and I said like I want the most outrageous stuff that ThreadBeast has, I did go ahead and email ThreadBeast just to confirm that those settings would go into effect for this package right here. So long story short, guys, ThreadBeast confirmed that those settings that I changed went into effect for this package right here. I said that they could include stuff like nudity, drug-related clothing, I guess, like the craziest stuff that they have. The bright stand out from the crowd color schemes. So let's go ahead and open this up. I'm pretty excited and curious for this. All right, guys, here we go. Moment of truth. Let's see what we got. Oh, man. Okay, right off the bat, I didn't even open the package all the way, and I could already tell I will not be disappointed because right away we got a pair of salmon shorts with Bird of Paradise plants on it. What? That's crazy because the last shirt that one of the shirts that I got from ThreadBeast last time had a Bird of Paradise plant on it. Oh, this actually feels like it might be a bathing suit. It's really hard to tell. It's kind of like a material that feels like it might be. Oh yeah, guys, these are definitely board shorts. It comes with a wax comb for a surfboard. So yeah, these are definitely cool shorts. Too bad that the summer is like over now and like, I'm not really gonna be wearing shorts to the beach for a while. Looks like we got a pair of boxer briefs. Let's go ahead and open these up. They're called PSD. Guys, they sent me some. I'm happy with what I have right here. Just from looking at this, I'm loving what I'm seeing so far. I feel like, okay, there we go. I feel like I'm gonna be much happier with this package than my last one. Guys, this is a legit package. Like, I really wasn't expecting to get underwear, but hey, who knows? Who knows what's going on these days, These are like very long boxer briefs. These are, mine usually cut off around here, but I mean, they look cool. The material feels pretty nice. This is a really cool looking shirt. We got the Statue of Liberty. Oh my gosh, what is the name? Is that the name of the artist that does these guys? I'm trying to remember what the name of the guy is. That there's like an artist or a designer or something that's famous for these figures down here. Maybe it's this guy, Keith Haring. I don't know who that is, but I definitely recognize the artwork. Really cool shirt. I love this. It feels like it's this is a silk screen t-shirt. Really nice. This is not a 4-color process. I could definitely tell that this has been silk screened. Really nice shirt. We got a dope shirt right here. Guys, I got some legit stuff in this box right here. I think most people know this brand by now. It's been around for a while now. I love the color gray. Gray clothing is like one of my favorite colors, and I love just the neon accent of this design right here. Super cool. I love that. Oh man, guys, we got a Huff. No way. This is awesome, guys. This is a sick hoodie, like sweatshirt, pullover. This is legit. This is embroidered, all embroidered. RIP to the founder of Huff. He recently passed away. I wish I could remember his name off the top of my head. I'll look it up and I'll put his name right here on the screen. But he did unfortunately recently pass away. But guys, I love this. We got the devil girl and the flames. It says "See you in hell." This is, oh man, this is a sick sweatshirt. Large. Oh man, I love the highlight, just the bright yellow color. I love that. I love that. Oh, no way. These guys, this is by far, I am way more excited about this package. This package is like 100 times better than my last one. Not that I didn't like my last one. This one is just sick. Like, they gave me some sick stuff. These are some nice sweats. Like, kind of that, like, acid wash look. I don't know this brand, CNC California. I've never heard of it before. It looks like it's a surf brand. These look really nice. I love how these look. perfect for the winter. They did a good job with this package. We got some Volcom pants. Nice, guys. Nice. I love you got the little Volcom logo on the button right there. Just to give you an idea of what these feel like, they kind of feel like Dickies pants. Nice, 2 pockets in the back, nice. These look nice. You could probably get away with wearing these at a somewhat fancy event. Or like, you could probably get away with wearing these to work if you work in like an office or something. The only thing is, like, they're more of like a straight cut pant. I did want, you know, more slim fit pants. And then, yeah, that's all we got inside the box, guys. And I'm gonna go ahead and try all this on real quick. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed my extremely cringeworthy fashion show that I just performed for you guys. I know I did. One of my only criticisms is that this t-shirt that I'm wearing right now, after putting it on, I could tell that the t-shirt material is actually like, it feels kind of cheap. Like, I'm actually concerned about what's going to happen after I wash it a couple times. One issue that I personally always have with t-shirts, I don't know if anyone else has this, is that I always get holes down here at the bottoms of my shirts, sometimes only after a few times washing them. So I'm really hoping that doesn't happen with this shirt, just because I'm already noticing off the bat that the material is a bit on the thin side. But apart from that, guys, I think ThreadBeast really hit the nail on the head with this package. I mean, even the hoodie that I got, let me show you. Like even this hoodie that I got, like this alone would have probably been like, I could see this for sale for like 60 bucks in a store, you know? And I think altogether I paid something like $73 for this package because I had the 50% off coupon. Once again, guys, if you guys are thinking about signing up for ThreadBeast, make sure you use a coupon code because you could get like 50% off your package. So I think you definitely want to take advantage of that. I'll also put my referral code link down in the description of this video. I think the deal is with my referral code is that if you sign up with it, you should get $50 worth of extra stuff in your first package. And I think I should also get a package, like a free package. I'm pretty sure it's the basic package, but yeah, I should also get a free package and you should get $50 worth of extra items in your first package. So just another thing to keep in mind. Once again, guys, I think I made this clear earlier, but I have no affiliation with ThreadBeast at all. Like they're not asking me to do that. I'm paying for this myself. And kind of what I've decided to do is I think instead of canceling my subscription right now, I think I'm actually going to keep it for another month because I think people really liked my first ThreadBeast video. So I'm hoping people will like this one, and then I'll try it for another month and I'll kind of gauge like what the reaction is. If people like it, I'll keep doing it. If people don't like it, you know, I probably won't do it anymore. Just because like personally myself, like I typically don't buy a lot of clothes. Like if it wasn't for these videos, like I wouldn't be buying these clothes. Just to put it into perspective for you guys, like I think out of all of 2019, the whole year, I probably spent $200 on clothes or less. Like, I'm not a big shopper. Like, I can wear the same t-shirt for years. I'm not kidding. So for me, like, making videos is the only way I can justify spending money on these clothes, like doing these ThreadBeast videos. So guys, if you are interested in seeing more of these videos by me, I also make a whole bunch of other videos on my channel, but if you guys like this video, if you want to see more videos by me in the future, you know, I'm definitely gonna like try another ThreadBeast unboxing. I'll possibly do more ThreadBeast videos in the future, as long as people like them and people are watching them. If people don't seem to like them, you know, I'm not gonna keep shoving them down people's throats, you know? So anyways, guys, if you guys are on Instagram, go ahead, give me a follow on Instagram. It's YT_Tobias. I'll put it right here on the screen. And if you guys like this video, I'd really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. And if you'd like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure you hit that subscribe button and you hit that bell notifications button. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Peace.